students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So next question is, biogas is an excellent fuel. How? So the reasons are, first of all, it contains 75% of methane, which is highly flammable gas. Next, it burns without any smoke, so there will be no harmful smoke and no residue. There will not be any ashes after burning this fuel. And the heating capacity is also high. And finally, there after burning fuel, the left behind slurr can be used as a manure, which is like a organic fertilizer. So these all are the reason why biogas is an excellent fuel. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.